I volunteered to get some experience with gas and plumbing, which is what I wanted to do as a career. I ended up doing about 18 months of volunteering twice. I was coming in twice a day, doing 2 full days a week to get some experience in my trade. I needed to get experience in the work field that I was doing because I was old. It was difficult to get an apprenticeship. So for me to be able to do my plumbing and heating qualification, I had to have experience doing it. And the only way I could do that was through a volunteering post. It benefited me because it gave me a chance to learn my trade. I got plenty of experience throughout all the aspects of plumbing and heating, and it did benefit me to give me a job at the end of the day.